Good day everyone. Today I got Pixel 8 and this mobile phone is having stock Android. Let me show the about phone. The mobile phone is on Android 16, 5th October 2025 security update, Google Play system update, baseband version provided, kernel version and the build number. You can see that. So today I'm going to flash the crDroid ROM on the Pixel 8. The method that I'm going to apply on the Pixel 8 can be done on the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 Pro. Same method for three variants Pixel 8, 8a and Pro. But we have to download the files according to the model or variant. Like I'm going to download the Pixel 8 files. In case if you are flashing it on Pixel 8a, you have to download Pixel 8a files to flash it. I hope you understand. If you are getting help from my videos, if you want to appreciate me, just like the video and share it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, click the select all. Thank you. So before flashing custom ROM on the Pixel 8 or 8a or 8 Pro, we have to do few things which are, first of all, we will unlock the bootloader, but before going to unlock the bootloader, check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged. In case if the battery is below 30%, charge the mobile phone battery. And you have to save all the data, because after unlocking bootloader, the mobile phone will get factory reset, the data will get formatted. Whatever data you have, just in case if you want to experience the custom ROM on the Pixel 8, 8a or 8 Pro, unlocking the bootloader will format the things. So you have to save the data, WhatsApp data, recent call list, whatever data you have, make a backup. The mobile phone must be updated to the latest ROM, Android 16. Turn off the screen lock by selecting swipe. Sync your Google account once and then must remove it to avoid issues. And one important thing that we have to do always before unlocking bootloader or before flashing custom recovery, that is go to settings, then go to about phone, then scroll down all the way down, and then you will see build number. Tap the build number for 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, unless you see developer mode is now open. Go back to settings, then go to system, tap to open it, scroll down, you will see developer options, tap to open the developer options, and just go down little bit, you will see OEM unlocking, this one, right? Turn it on. It will say, oh, allow, yes, enable it. So the OEM unlocking is turned on. Now I will be able to unlock the bootloader. If you have done all these things, simply power off the mobile phone. To get the crDroid, we have to download the crDroid ROM and nick gaps, because crDroid ROM is coming without Google applications. So we have to flash the nick gaps, whatever variant you want. I think there are 2 or 3 variants provided. I am going for the basic, but this gaps is actually pixel modified. So I will provide links of nick gaps, the crDroid, platform tools, vendor. This is basically crDroid recovery. Just make a new folder, click the links provided in my video description, download the files. And platform tools, with the help of this file, we will unlock the bootloader also, and we will flash the gaps and the ROM file. But before, yes, we have to flash the recovery, which is actually vendor boot the image file. Now after downloading all the files, first extract the platform tools in same folder, then copy the ROM file, the gaps file and the vendor underscore boot image file from the downloaded folder, and open the extracted folder of the platform tools, paste all the 3 files over here. I got 3 files. I will rename few files to make the things easy. First I will select the gaps file, so click it, press F2, erase the file name. I will give name GAPPS. So the file name will be like gaps.zip. Press enter key. Then I will rename the ROM file. Click to select the file, press F2, erase the file name. Just give a name rom.zip. The file name is supposed to be rom.zip. Press enter key. Just to make the things easy, I am renaming the files. Okay. Now come here, open CMD, right click on it, then left click on run as administrator. Click yes on next pop-up window, the command window will get open. Now coming back towards my mobile phone, so always use a good quality of data cable for charging the mobile phone battery and for flashing. Check the other side of the data cable must be connected with laptop or computer, whatever options you have. Check the mobile phone, it must be totally power off. To boot the phone into bootloader, press and hold the volume down key, connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see a bootloader screen. Immediately release the volume down key. This one, release the volume down key. Now this is the information that you can see on my mobile phone. I have Google Pixel 8. The code name of the Pixel 8 is SHIBA, Shiba. Yeah, it is written here. And I have the 128 GB variant, which is having 8 GB RAM. So you can see the device state is locked, but the OEM is unlocked, and it's clearly telling us that this mobile can be easily unlockable. Okay, coming back towards my computer screen, first I will check the phone is connected with the computer. Type the command fastboot space devices, enter key. This is a serial number, and the phone is connected properly with the computer in fast boot mode. Now unlock the bootloader by giving the command fast boot space flashing space unlock. Press enter key. Well, come back towards the mobile phone. Well, the command window is clearly saying that okay, done, but there is something else that we have to do. You can read, do not unlock the bootloader. Change this with the pressing the volume up or down key. I will press the volume up key to change the message from the earliest one to unlock the bootloader, right? Then press the power key. When I press the power key, the bootloader will get unlocked, but right away or straight away I will press the and hold the volume down key to boot the phone directly again into bootloader mode. So I will press the power key. When mobile phone restart, press and hold the volume down key to boot the phone into bootloader mode. Once again, I will not let the mobile phone to boot to the stock ROM. Now if you see, the device state is saying unlocked, means that the bootloader got unlocked. Now coming back once again to my computer screen, I am in extracted folder of the platform tools, right? And the CMD command window is already open. Type the command to flash the recovery fast boot space flash space vendor underscore boot space vendor underscore boot dot img. Press enter key. The file will get flashed. Done. Now boot the phone into recovery. Come to the mobile phone screen. Press the volume up for volume down key. Restart bootloader. Then again recovery mode. You see this recovery mode. Press the power key. Remember, the data cable must be connected. Wait for it. The recovery screen will get appears on the mobile phone screen. This is warning sign that means that the bootloader is now unlocked. It will appears every time if you power on the mobile phone or if you restart the mobile phone. So the recovery got appears. First thing first, tap factory reset. Okay, the tap is not working, so we will use the volume keys and power key. Press the volume down key to go to select the factory reset and power key. Then again power key to format the data, or press the volume down key to select format data, press power key. Done. Repeat the procedure once again. Done. Press the volume up key to select the back arrow, power key to go back to the main screen, volume down key to select the apply update, power key once again to boot the phone into apply from ADB mode. So the phone is now booted into ADB sideload mode. Data cable is already connected. Coming back towards my computer screen, first I will start flashing the crDroid ROM by giving the command adb space sideload space rom.zip. Rom is actually the ROM file. Press enter key and you will see that the ROM file will start transferring to the mobile phone. It will take a time and it will get flash also accordingly. We have to wait here now. On the command window at 47%, the mobile phone will prompt you that to install the additional package, we need to reboot the recovery. So it is asking us to no or yes. So just press the power key, select highlighted no, already highlighted, just press the power key no, because I will reboot the recovery manually. Now when it is done, you definitely must see that it will show install completed with status 0, means that properly flashed. Now press the volume down key to select advanced, then press power key, then press the volume down key to select reboot to recovery, then press power key. Manually reboot the recovery to flash the gaps. If you want to press the power key to skip this screen, you can press the power key twice. So recovery screen got appears once again. Press the volume down key to select apply update. Press power key. Again press power key to boot the phone into ADB side load mode. Now coming back towards my mobile to computer screen. This time we will flash gaps. Give the command ADB space side load space GAPPS.zip. Press enter key. The thing will start once again. The file will start getting transferred to the mobile phone. It will flash also. Wait for it. Flashing got completed, and I am done from the computer. I will close the command window, and just in case if you want, you can delete the extracted folder of the platform tools and disconnect the data cable first from the mobile phone. The reboot system now already highlighted. Just press the power key. The bootloader unlocking message will appears after reboot or restart, or every time when you power on the mobile phone. Press the power key twice to skip this screen. Now the phone will stick little bit on this Google logo, and then it will start booting to the crDroid ROM. Well, I like this phone, Pixel 8, really fast, beautiful, handy mobile phone, just liking it. So the crDroid first booted completed. You can see the welcome screen is different because I think this is currently the latest security update. So I will complete the setup screen. Okay, done. Well, the crDroid ROM now is on my mobile phone. I got the ROM very smoothly, and well, see the performance very fast. The QS panel, the latest one, and if I go to settings, and this is the interface. Well, I will tap about phone. Pixel 8. So the portrait ROM is having a good thing that the IME always be hidden, but the stock Android will show always IME numbers. So if I tap the IME number, then it will show. This is a good thing and I like it. If you see the crDroid version, this is the latest one, 12.10. If I tap the Android 16, so the details is here or are here. Device Google Pixel 8, code name is Shiba, SHIBA, Android 16, crDroid version 12.0. Well, and they check the Android security update. As I told you before, the latest one, 1st May 2026 is the Android security update, and rest all the things or details you can see. Baseband version, build number, etc. etc. These are the pre-default applications coming with the ROM. Well, check it out. Few applications coming with the caps also. You can see Play Store, Gallery, or this is the application Sandbox, rest few applications more. So the camera that you can see is actually pixel camera, which is coming with the stock Android ROM. So finally I got the ROM, and hopefully if you are following my method, you will also get the ROM. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like it, share it, and subscribe my channel also. See you again. Tata, bye bye.